बिजी हो
दिल्ली में
जाता
तो बहुत रहेगा ना मैम?
मैम अभी तो रहता है, फरवरी पूरा रहता है ऑलमोस्ट टिल होली। अभी हल्का हल्का
हाँ
ठंड सा
हाँ
रहता है
करेक्ट करेक्ट, होली तक रहता ही है, करेक्ट।
आफ्टर होली, बट दिस टाइम होली इज आल्सो क्वाइट लेट। इट्स आई गेस ऑन
मार्च में है
28
ना? मार्च में रहता है ना मैम वैसे भी?
फर्स्ट वीक ना, फर्स्ट वीक में नहीं है होली
मैम 28 मार्च, 28 मार्च।
अरे ये तो
इतना
लेट
लेट
है,
है।
एकदम लेट हो गया।
ओके,
लास्ट
तो
टाइम इट
मतलब
वाज
इस बार
आई
तब
गेस,
तक ठंडी रहेगी इसका मतलब।
आई रियली होप सो, रहनी चाहिए
या
क्योंकि यहाँ की गर्मी भी
यस,
बहुत खराब है।
बहुत खराब होती है, बम्बई की
यहाँ
भी तो
की
बहुत खराब होती है।
मैम पर
मुंबई,
दिल्ली में
आई लाइक मुंबई's this
ट्रेन में
summer
अच्छा हो
vacation.
जाता है।
नहीं
I like
बहुत
summer in
गर्मी
Mumbai.
होती है क्रिस्टीना मैम, आई डोंट नो वेयर यू स्टे, हमें तो बहुत गर्म पड़ता है।
I love that summer time. I love that summer time.
नो वी
मैम
प्रिफर रेनी सीजन ओवर हियर, द बेस्ट।
I
आप कहाँ
hate
से
that.
मैम? मैम
जी
आप कहाँ, मैम आप कहाँ
मुंबई,
से?
मुंबई हम सब मुंबई के हैं। जी जी
सब मैम
जी।
हमारे यहाँ पे ना आप लोगों की जैसे मुंबई में व्हाट आई हैव हियर में कि यहाँ आप लोगों के यहाँ कहते हैं कि इवनिंग्स आर बेटर देन आफ्टरनून्स, बट
राइट
दिल्ली में ना एवरी टाइम द क्लाइमेट इज सो बैड इन समर्स ना, फुल ऑफ सफोकेशन, मॉर्निंग हो इवनिंग हो, इट्स
और
वेरी बैड द वेदर इज।
पावर कट होता है वहाँ पे, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी।
मैम नहीं, अभी मैम अभी ऐसा नहीं है, पहले बहुत होता था, लेकिन
ओके
अभी कुछ सालों से ये प्रॉब्लम, पावर कट की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन
ओके ओके,
हम पीपल एंजॉय
But
विंटर्स
outside
इन
is
दिल्ली।
long.
Right.
एंजॉय।
No, no. Good afternoon, everybody. And
गुड
Hi,
before
sir.
आफ्टरनून सर।
all my
गुड
teachers get into Delhi की shopping में चले जाएं, उसके पहले मैं classes ले लेता हूँ। वरना
Yeah.
difficult to have, suddenly at the end of the day you are women. तो वहाँ फिर thank you so much, Surbi ma'am. Good to see you, Nargis ma'am. All of you, welcome. Good afternoon.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Right. Usually, our training sessions are very short. कभी-कभी हम training करते हैं specifically some lessons or some planners, or sometimes we just focus on what is the road ahead. So, welcome all of you again, and hope to make this quick and short and easy before your lunches are still hot, right? What we are planning to do is we have assessments coming up. Exams say, I don't know how many of you enjoyed your exams in your school, but I think as a general, students run away from exam. And one of the goals that we're trying to do in Golden Sparrow is make exams fun, make exams easy. See, एक चीज मैं हमेशा आप लोग को एक कहानी से शुरू करूंगा. I'll tell you a small story before I talk about the exams. I studied in different places in India. I was born in Kolkata. I moved to Andaman Nicobar. I did my engineering from Chennai. I keep saying the only problem is I fell in love with a Mumbai girl. वरना अच्छा खासा मैं टाउन साइड में रहता था. बॉम्बे में फंस गया आके मैं.
Desert, sir.
Where, Velita ma'am?
Now you are in the desert.
I'm in the desert. Look at that. Now after marriage, Velita, just hold on. Now after marriage, that's where you end up with. Right. Great. My wife is just here. I'm not getting lunch anymore for sure. But it's a very nice anecdote I want to share with you. कि कभी-कभी, and this will help you, while Golden Sparrow is an online platform, and most of us have not even met each other, even the ones who are in Bombay. I haven't met some of the people. I've actually gotten very fond of you. I really enjoy your classes, Valetta ma'am, Christina ma'am. Hardly a days goes. When I went to vacation 2 weeks back, the only promise my daughters made, my girls made, is, Abba, you're not going to speak to Christina ma'am. And we kept a promise, right, Christina? So,
Yes, sir.
Right. So it's fun. It's nice to know all of you. I'll tell you a small story to begin with, and then I'll quickly get into the academics and we'll wind it up. Promise you. I was studying social studies, and as always, सारे subject के बनिस्बत, we hated history, we hated geography, because it was taught in a way. Sorry, Aishwarya ma'am, you take these classes, but don't worry. It was taught in a way that we kind of rebelled against history and geography. And this was a case with us. I still remember we were in grade 6, and none of us liked it. And at that point, एक नई teacher को introduce करते हैं. A new teacher comes in. We were like, ठीक है, let's see what happens. Mrs. Gomes, I still remember Mrs. Gomes come in, and we studied in the typical convent school where we had a lot of Anglo-Indian teachers in Kolkata. And when Mrs. Gomes comes in, we said, कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. The same way, we're going to have another geography class. And that was the time when midterm exams were on. Now, if you realize your mentality से हम गुरु से, a CBSE student, how we've grown up, midterm exams are supposed to be the toughest. Why are they toughest? Because the children should fail. बच्चे जरा fail होंगे, shock होंगे, तो final के लिए अच्छे से मेहनत करेंगे, पढ़ाई करेंगे. We said ठीक है, teachers should know that they should be prepared कि बच्चे उनको surprise देने वाले, वो क्या surprise देंगे. हम fail होते हैं, हमको खुशी होती है, and we were and we studied in like not like now my daughters and how we are very savvy 1:10 ratio. We had 60 students. हरी भरी क्लास हमारी रहती थी, वो लड़कियां आगे की बेंच में बैठती थी. I still remember, and we had 40 boys out of it, and that is my class strength. Mrs. Mehra taught few things. She taught very well, but we knew कि history, geography हम fail होने वाले हैं. To the shock in my life, I've never seen a paper like that. A second term या mid term paper हमको मिलता है, and it's a 100-mark paper. That proper paper होता है, pen and you know how you write a CBSE exam, and the entire paper was nothing but multiple choice. Nothing else but multiple choice. Trust me. And I don't know the other answers, but I know unka question tha. I still remember. I'm talking about my 6th standard. I'm not that old, but at least it's 25 years before. Before that, 25 साल पहले के सवाल मुझे याद है. उनका एक सवाल आता है कि which is the coldest desert in the world? And the question was Gobi Desert, Aloo Desert, Matar Desert, and this is exactly the kind of question. For the life of me, I don't know Aloo Matar, but कहीं सुना था Gobi Desert, tick कर दिया.
Gobi Desert.
She asked a question that what sea is between the Mediterranean and other, and the question was Red Sea, Yellow Sea, Purple Sea, Pink Sea. I have no idea Pink Sea, Purple Sea होता है कि नहीं होता है, but I remember Red Sea कहीं तो पढ़ा है. Egypt के must be tick it down. And for the first time, और मेरे दूसरे जो आवारा दोस्त हैं उनके लिए जिंदगी में आखिरी बार we got 100 out of 100. Trust me, for the first and last time in our life, we got 100 out of 100 in social studies. And what happened? It changed our perspective towards social studies. Today, if some of you who interacted with me on geography and history, even now, after all these years, me, Kushal, Rashmi, some of my classmates, when we meet over now in Facebook groups and WhatsApp, we remember our teacher, we thank her, and we still think that social studies is our favorite subject. For what? Sorry, it's not Mrs. Gomez, Miss Mehra. What did Mrs. Mehra do to us? All she did is, उन्होंने हमको extra marks दिए. 100 out of 100. Can you believe? To get 100 out of 100 for the first and last time in our life, right? What did she give marks from our pockets? उनको खर्चा हुआ? Did the management call and say आपने इतना नुकसान कर दिया स्कूल का? All she did is she encouraged us. Did she feel bad? इतने सारे बच्चों को 100 out of 100 हो रहा है? Trust me, we never looked at this subject the same way. When you are appearing and making examination assessment, think with this. Think like Mrs. Mehra. आपको बच्चों को you have to win the hearts of the children. You have to win over them, and that is what a good teacher is all about. So as we enter there is a base biblical phrase which says, Eli, Eli, lama sabachthani. I don't know if you, where Jesus says, God, don't put me to test. Nobody, even the greatest people in the world do not like test. Nobody likes test. Make our test so beautiful that your children start enjoying the test. I'm not saying make it easy. I accept that, make it challenging, but don't think that, okay, I will make a paper. I know teachers in my school, they used to give 3/4 marks. I said, 1/4 की तो सब्जी भी नहीं आती. What are you going to take unless and until you're teaching me maths? Don't be gracious, be generous in giving marks, be generous in appreciating your students, and be generous in preparing a paper. I'm not saying make a paper very easy, make it challenging, but prepare the students to succeed in the exams, not fail in the exams. So that is what I want to tell you. I don't know if my story, you reflect and you enjoy, but I really enjoy telling my incident with Mrs. Mehra. We still love, she's an old lady now. Whenever I go to Kolkata, I drop in and say hello to her. And I say, ma'am, you are the one who changed me from an engineer to an educationist. These are journeys with teachers, right? So what are we going to do now? We're going to prepare a question paper. I'm going to share a sample. I prepared a paper for all of you, and I thought I will share. Our exams will start. I thought 15, but 15 बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा. हम 22 से शुरू करेंगे. We got that 1 week, 22nd, where you will do a live test in the classroom. Essentially, you will prepare a simple 20 marks paper. I also shared it last week, but we keep repeating ourselves. How do you prepare? We'll make a 20-mark paper into 5 sections, and I'll teach you how to make the sections. I know you all are teachers, you are better at it, but we'll just make it easy for ourselves. For the pre-primary, you can use any worksheet. You don't have to follow this format. Valeta and Ramanpreet ma'am and Afreen ma'am, whoever is around, yes, but at least you know the format of what we are preparing ourselves to do. Now, you will prepare a question paper, either write it down or prepare on Word, whatever you're comfortable with. But at some point, you have to upload this paper into Google Classroom. Take help from Faisal sir and Christina ma'am if you're not aware of Google Classroom. Trust me, it's as simple as using a WhatsApp. You know, when these companies make these apps, Facebooks and Instagram, they make it keeping a teenager mind in the research. So trust me, you all can always do better. Do not be afraid of technology. A very good friend of mine, Ekta ma'am, she wrote something very nice today morning. She said, technology will never replace teachers, but definitely teachers who use technology will replace teachers. Trust me, that's a fact. Teachers who use technology will replace teachers who don't. So let's make technology a friend. We must congratulate Nargis ma'am for buying a laptop, going ahead and doing that. It's a big step, ma'am. You know, it shows the trust you have on the entire program in Hub Schooling, and also the fact that you are taking one step ahead. Some of you are actually
Yes,
from
yes.
technology background, right, Christina ma'am? By the way, Christina ma'am is not on Facebook, which is the biggest tragedy of our time.
Yes, sir. So I'm only on WhatsApp.
There you are. Right. This is good. And still you're so busy. So I'll quickly share the format of the question paper, not taking too much time. Then you can ask me question. I prepared this as a sample paper. It's a social studies. Again, you know, you know why I love social studies so much, why I'm very keen, why someone, you know, who takes social studies have a bigger responsibility. It could be Alfia ma'am or Aishwarya ma'am. मैं बार-बार उनको message करता हूँ, मैम आपका subject क्या है? It could be Fatima ma'am. So the idea is I prepare a simple question paper, keeping blue in mind, whichever classes you're taking. Some of you are taking a class which has a name of a person. It could be Tagore, it could be Curie or Newton. Just to make it easy, that's called a hybrid class. These are students who are actually in and around Navi Mumbai, जहाँ मेरा area है, जहाँ उनको physically हम पढ़ाते हैं. Some of you are taking color-coded classes. It could be, violet, blue, yellow. At some point, green will come in. These are absolutely online class. We intend to continue post-pandemic as a full-fledged e-school. Right? So I'm giving an example for blue class. You see, it's 20 mark paper. It's 40 minutes. First rule, make sure that your fonts are visible enough. I am using a simple Times Roman font, and font is 15 for the heading and 12 for the smaller one. I can increase it if you want to. I can decrease it. The reason is सारे लोग laptop पे नहीं बैठे हैं. You should respect your students. You should know that some of them are using mobile phones. Some of you have poor resolution and net. Make your programs easier for students to follow. Right? First of the 20 mark and the second of 20 mark are very simple one-word answers. पूरा पेपर उस तरह बनाया गया है कि बच्चे easily इसको crack करें. I think you can help me solving it, so I know that you can read it. It doesn't matter if you don't know the answers, but so the first one is 5 mark, fill in the blank. I've also given the answers. If you see, I want students to know that I am on their side. I'm not against them. I am with them. I want them to succeed. So very simple. The Australian bushfire nearly led all of dash to extinction. And they're keywords. I want them to learn the word extinction, endangered. That's why I've used those words, but they are part of my answer, not the question. What could be the answer?
So we have to answer?
Yeah, go ahead, Christina ma'am. Let me see how good you are with animals.
Koala, na? Koala.
Okay, that's good. Koala, I right. Okay. By the way, we've got some real good animal lovers out there. Yeah, Valeta ma'am, someday.
Valeta,
Yeah, there you are. She goes swimming with her dogs out there. So we've got only one horn dash left in the world.
Rhino.
Rhino,
It's
absolutely.
rhino,
Absolutely. And if you know, it's Rohit Sharma who goes and takes photographs in Africa. I know these are great things. Not a good day for Indian cricket if you're following. Aaj hum haar gaye England se, but that's the second story. Okay, right. Third question is the dash population. I'm not going through all of it, but I'll just do one round. The dash population has risen. Now, which one? If you know, Amitabh Bachchan is part of this campaign.
Dash populations.
Has risen from 1411 because of India's campaign. I made it simple.
Lion.
Lion का answer ही नहीं है, sir. There is no lion as a
Who said that?
Has to be
Sir,
Faisal,
tiger.
sir. Is that
Tiger,
Faisal, sir? Tiger. Right. Has to be Faisal, sir. Out of syllabus answer देने की आदत है उनको. Right. It's tiger. Okay, so you get it now. The national animal of China is?
Panda.
Panda.
Right. Good. Thank you so much. You didn't say cockroach or anything they eat. It's the panda, right? We are not very good friends with China as of now. Okay, and the last one, of course, is a very important question. These are things that have been taught to them. It's an endangered species known for its shyness, also the mascot of Firefox operating system. The only answer left is?
It's
Red panda.
Red panda.
Red
Fantastic.
Red
Yeah, so it's red panda. It's actually one species. But anyway, the point is, ये आपका format है. You are giving a fill in the blanks of 5 marks and with the answers there. You want the students to be encouraged to give an answer. So that's what you do. My second round is another 5-mark question, which is fill in the missing word. It's almost similar to this. You can change the format. You know, it will not be the same, say, for maths. It will not be the same for some other subject. It will keep varying, but this is how the format is. It's an SDG goal. We are not learning about SDG right now, but goal number 14 is life underwater. Quality education is goal number 4. It's just the letters they have to write. So they have to write the answer. So my pehle 10 questions bade aasan hai. It's very simple. They crack it and they are very confident that I can do my better ones. Remember, this is a formative assessment. The difference between FA and SA is formative assessment is like learning, exams, assessing to learn, right? They are actually learning while they're answering. Summative assessment is assessing of learning, how much they have learned. So make it easy, make it doable, because at the end of March, we'll have a summative assessment coming your way. Again, अब आपके 10 questions हो गए, 10 marks हो गए, only 10 more marks are left. I usually prefer putting one picture in the question paper. It just makes it appealing. So there is a small short note 2-mark question. Write a short note on how would you save the oceans from plastic. Mention 3 points. You allowing students to write the answers. How are students going to do it? आपकी ये live class होगी, like how I'm doing it. I'll make sure that all the students, the cameras are on. Tell them I'll give you a bonus point if your camera's on. Because I know some of the children are very shy. They are very reluctant to put the cameras on. And right now, Anubha ma'am says, yes, sir, I agree with it. And I know, ma'am, it's difficult. It will take, yes, ma'am.
Sir, even asking them again and again to put the camera on or speak up for doubts or something, most of them are not doing that thing.
I understand, ma'am. It is a little challenging.
They're quite shy.
Yes. Also, I realize because of the hub schooling, they have just joined. Some of them have actually never done online classes until December. So, being part of the less privileged students group that we are teaching right now, you encourage them. That's why you say.
I'm trying calling them by their name, each by each, so that they can be.
And what you can do, no, ma'am, you can also sometimes, like I do, I take in a yellow class and I know the reluctancy of them. We say, okay, put your cameras on for 2 minutes. I want to see you, and then you can switch it off. So it's like a little encouragement, because people are concerned. Kaun piche ja raha hai, kaun nahi ja raha hai.
Sometimes I tried for a particular person. I want to see your face. Just please put on your camera for a while. But they don't.
They don't
even speak up. At least say you understood or not. Some of them no.
Right.
No.
I am okay.
But I'll try again. I'll try.
And I think we'll not be so strict right now, but hopefully when we begin the next academic term, we'll actually be very particular. I have done that in my Tagore class, which is the higher class. No camera, you are in the waiting room. I don't want you to do that right now. We'll get to know them better.
Yes, I won't. They are very good. Innocent kids are there.
Right.
Small ones.
So this is your simple format, 2-mark short note. There is another question. It says identify this girl, a very popular green activist. And what does the word green activist means? Anyone who knows her name? She's really popular. She was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. It's to do. She was on the cover of Time magazine. Yeah, no one. Okay, all right, don't worry. She looks like you, Zulekha ma'am, so you should answer, right? Go ahead, Google her. She's Greta Thunberg, a very popular activist. Aishwarya ma'am, go Google her. She's someone you should know more about. Fatima ma'am, all those who in teaching social studies. She bunks school every Friday. और देखो bunk होने का कितना फायदा हुआ. She was invited to White House and travel around the world. She works on carbon footprint. ये young लड़की बोलती है कि आप लोग अपनी जिंदगी जी लिए. Make planet Earth better, at least हमारे लिए. A very popular, very good speaker. She actually is a very, very lovely school girl who's doing this. Anyway, this was a question I've taught them, so I asked this question. And my final 2 ones are 2 marks and 4 marks. Again, these are, you see, after the first 10 objective questions, these are little writing one. Because abhi bhi, despite any board, it could be Cambridge, NIOS, or CBSE, students have to write a lot. Even today, as good as you communicator you are, your writing skills are valued. So I want my students to write. So aapke last 10 questions are more on writing. And it's not like 2 points or 3 points, it's three simple points. Question number 5 is give 3 examples of plastification. And question number 6 is a little reading passage. So there's a passage you have to read and you have to answer those 5 questions for 4 marks. Simple as that. This is the entire format. I'm going to share this in the group, that respective our teachers group. So you can download, prepare a question on this format. Any suggestion, any input until now? Khatam nahi hua hai. I've got one more thing to tell you before this. So anything so far? All good? Very simple format. Team?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah,
For
Christina,
life
ma'am.
skills also, we are going to have a proper
Yes.
concrete exam like this.
So
Yes.
that's what.
Right. We're going to have a life skill also. We're going to have for ICT. Some of you. So every subject except for, as a pre-primary, going to do a worksheet-based thing where they download and the parents help them. So it's not live for pre-primary. And Komal ma'am, for arts also, I'm expecting them to draw something, but again, it is offhand because they're already doing for the first time. I don't want an arts examination. So the only exception we're making is for arts. Otherwise, every subject that are being taught, we have an examination for that. Fair enough. Can we go ahead?
So for pre-primary, we do not have orals.
You can. No, absolutely. I will be very delighted if you have an oral within the classes, but worksheet would be something that you'll upload on Google Classrooms, and the parents will see the worksheet, they'll download it, or they will make a note of it. Then they will solve it with the students and they will upload it back in the Google Classroom. This is something I need to share.
Helping them out. There
Uh,
was a point of
Yeah,
examination.
the idea is they're only helping them in the technical part. Yeah, go ahead, Valita ma'am.
Rather, we would do something like, just share the worksheet and let the child do it. Like when
Okay, you think you can do it live in a live class? I'm very, very poor with the younger kids. I think you all are brilliant. I've seen some of your classes. If you're confident that you can do a live class with the pre-primary, absolutely go ahead. Please go ahead.
They won't be able to complete in one session.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
okay. We can extend it, right?
Nargis ma'am, you're talking about the violets or the other classes you're taking?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fair enough. Now,
Primary.
okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
pre-primary, yeah, okay with it. Now comes the challenging part. Preparing a question paper is very easy. I know it's a task that I'm expecting you. Some of you are aware of the students. What I've done is I've plotted this in a PowerPoint presentation. I'm just going to share it. It's not compulsory, but what I've realized is for students to see a presentation and it's a live class they're doing is going to be difficult. So same thing, what I showed you, I'm showing you what I did. I just wrote a PowerPoint, simple. This is my instructions. I give them 5 minutes for instruction. Write the name on a piece of paper. So by the time you tell them, you will have to do one mock examination. And you all are learning as much as you're doing this in Golden Sparrow. You're learning how to conduct an online examination. So the students have to do a mock. So within the next 12 days that you've got before 22nd, tell them that please keep a pen and a paper handy. I'm going to do a sample test to fill in the blanks of 1 section, 2 section, so they know. They must upload the paper immediately after the session, and you should know the Google Classroom code, or Christina ma'am will help you for that. All of you should be comfortable with Google Classroom. That's the catch, right? So far, so good. Can I go ahead?
So it's very simple. Google Classroom is very simple. Sir.
I know, right, ma'am. And someone who's not on Facebook, that's why I said you should have all be very confident using Google Classroom. When Christina ma'am says it's simple, you should be very confident. Simple as that. Now, ab jo main batane wala hu, the same thing. Now you see, I've made it a little easier for students to see. That's all. I've done nothing else. I've just made it as a part of the same paper. But now I can tell them this is 5 minutes for you to solve it. Everybody keep their camera on, mics off. Nobody gives the answer. See, this is how I have to make sure they practice it well. Same thing what you did on a Word document, I've plotted it and copied it on a PowerPoint. Once I give them, say, 5 minutes for this, Nargis ma'am, that is where you tag a time tagger. Your time is very key. If they don't finish in 5 minutes, just that's it. I'm going for your next question. Next five minutes for my next question, and you have a timer. So you plan it for your 40-minute session or 45-minute session. Okay. When you do a mock exam, once you do a mock, they know what is expected. Once 5 minutes is done, I think this is not 5 minutes question. It's a 2 minutes or 3 minutes one. You read it once for them, they see it, and you move ahead. This is what you do. You say, now you got 3 minutes to write this answer. Read the question, write it down. Same way, I'm just going through the same thing. Same thing, you saw Greta's photo, identify this girl, and the question is, who is a green activist? Write it down. 2 minutes to write the answer. You wait for some time, you remind them, your time is up, I'm going to my next question. Give 3 examples of a plastic-free vacation, anything. See, of course, this may be new for you, but because I've taught it to my blue students, they know what I'm talking about. Same way, when you teach a maths question or a science question, you have taught it and it's easy for them. Then they read it. This is the longest one, which is the last one. आप उनको 10 minute दीजिए इसके अंदर 7 minutes you do them. Tell them to read it, but I must make a mock examination where they read it. It will only be challenging for English. This doesn't apply for science. That doesn't apply. In science, you can make them, ask them to draw a diagram or something like that. Make it simple. When they read it, you can go to the questions and you have to do a little back and forth because of this. That is why I can go to my Word document where the questions and the notes are together. This is it. If you want, you can go back to your questions one time as a review, as a recap, but that is how a online formative assessment exam will be taken. There we are. I always keep my promise with time. Now your questions, anything you want to add, share, please let me know. Does it look very complicated or it's doable? Thank you, Anubha ma'am. It looks doable. Anubhuti ma'am, hello. It looks, any questions?
Hello, sir.
English point? Yeah.
Yes, sir. What if students start prompting the answers?
Ma'am, what we'll make sure is we'll say that we deduct mark. Of course, I hope that the students don't do that. That is why when you do a mock examination, so I'm suggesting that don't prepare the entire paper, but at least prepare some part, fill in the blanks. Do a mock examination and tell them, some of them are actually out of excitement, not out of badmashi or masti, of mischief, out of excitement they were giving.
Yes.
Tell them, please, for the first time, you ask them to keep the mics off actually. They're not supposed to keep the mics on for the entire duration until they ask. Yeah, Anubha ma'am.
So we can mute them by ourselves.
You can mute them because most of the time
We
you
will
will be the
mute
host.
them by ourselves.
But give them, especially the elder ones, the younger ones, you will have a little challenge with the violets. But make sure that you allow them. Christina, Veleta ma'am and Afreen ma'am, you may have a challenge with your younger ones. Everybody will be eager to give the answer. That is why I said you decide how you do the orals, or the worksheets can be uploaded and the parents help them download.
So for my school, I kept the kids in the waiting room, and one by one I took the examination, because it shouldn't be that the child should feel embarrassed, because they're very
Agree.
small. So if they don't answer, they feel bad that the others are answering and then they are
Okay.
not capable of answering.
Okay, can I
So I take-
change the format, Veleta ma'am? Waiting room is okay, but I want others to know the answers. I mean, sure, with you all, you can prepare 10 different type of questions. Perhaps a question is repeated, it's okay. So you can tell a child, okay, tell me the answer. I don't know, an example, finish the sentence Baba, and they say black sheep. Okay, that's 1 point. The other one, you say, okay, a twinkle, twinkle, and there's a little star. I think waiting room is a great idea if you're doing orals, but my suggestion is let the class participate together. Pre-primary, I said, just be gracious with the marks, and you know your children already. So we're going to give them the marks accordingly. Yeah. Anything else? Any other question? Are we prepared? Everybody is on Google Classroom. Everyone's comfortable on Google Classroom. Yes, Krishna ma'am.
So out of how many, how much marks exams you
20.
want?
This is a
exam
20,
you
20
want?
this is a 20 mark
20.
exam, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah, this is a
okay.
20 mark exam. You see, no, it's okay. I'm not going back, but if you look at this, this is the format: 20 marks and 40 minutes. That's what we're trying to do for them. Yeah.
So this will include for everything that we have taught in all these months.
Okay.
Right.
Now the syllabus includes what you did from January. This is not a summative exam. It's not like a midterm exam. It's a formative exam. So what you did last month, February, just 1 week on. So you can decide if you think that you want to add on something else. I'm okay with it. But prepare in a smaller format, like less of the curriculum or syllabus for them to work on. Yeah. For some of you like Aishwarya ma'am, you just started 1 or 2 classes. Choose what you've done in the respective classes. You can also add a few GK questions. It's okay. Malika ma'am, you already are doing maths and you know your students very well. So you can take up a little longer theory that way. The same with you, Zulekha ma'am. You doing science very well with the violets. So you can take up a longer, a little bigger theme to work with because you have been with them for a longer time.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Any other suggestion, any question? We got a couple of minutes, maybe 5 minutes more before we end the session. And then
So
we'll upload it.
you want them to hand over the question paper to us before having the examinations, like they have to show us, or they can take it on the day itself?
Yeah, usually I don't ask for question papers. I trust you with your paper. You know your students better. If you want to share for feedback and suggestion, you're always welcome. You can PM me. You can add on to it. But otherwise, like I always see Malika ma'am, you send me the papers and I'm very happy. But otherwise, I trust you. Your papers. If you have if you need help, go ahead and ask me. Otherwise, it's okay.
So you send me a sample. I'll send them over on the group.
I'm sending it right now. No. Why
Yes.
go through the route? I'm going and uploading in the group itself myself, Krishna ma'am. I'll do it right now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect. So just announce in your respective classes that 22nd onwards we have the classes. So only thing you have to do is plan your exams in the right way. Say just an example, Anubhuti ma'am, you're taking blue. So make sure that when you have an exam in blue, you coordinate and say, okay, Malika ma'am, why don't you write your dates that I want to do my exam on this particular day? Your exams will be in your particular period, right? So for example, you have a maths class on Thursday at 11 o'clock. So that is the time when you will do your maths examination. If you want 5-10 minutes extra, you can request the teacher coming after you that, hold on, the exams are going on. I'm okay with it. Nothing else get disrupted. We have very little time with these children, so nothing else get disrupted. There are no free periods at that time. We continue the rest of the classes accordingly, but make sure you don't have more than one exam in a day. We have got 5 exams. You can do Monday to Thursday. In between, you can have 1 or 2, maybe 2 exams maximum, but not 3 for sure. Right? So just coordinate in the respective group. Christina ma'am, only request will be, if every teacher can tell you when they want to have an exam, you can collaborate. Like
Okay, yeah, that would be
Violet,
better,
like
yeah.
Zulekha ma'am and Nargis ma'am and Arif sir and whatever, you can have written down so everybody knows where the exams are.
Okay.
Perfect.
This preschool, sir.
Sorry, Violeta ma'am.
For the preschool, we have to tell them prior.
Yeah, tell them prior. So the parents know that they are aware that they do a little revision, a little background thing. Just inform them that we're going to take, and tell them it's going to be easy, fun oral test and a little bit of written where their parents can help them.
Actually, oh, it's okay. I'll talk to you about it later.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
actually time, bro. Everyone's hungry. I'm sure.
No. Okay, fine. No. Okay, let's take it offline. Yes, Malika ma'am. Hopefully they will have the exams on the respective the exam day. Do you want me to skip all the classes when the exams are on? I mean, that's a suggestion. You
So
tell
then
me.
in this way, sir, in this way we can take maybe 3 exams. Like, are you okay with 3? Because sir, it's only 20 marks, right?
Correct.
What do you feel?
That is why I want the exams to be in the respective subjects, so that we already have less subjects and periods, and I think I would like you all to take your respective sessions. It counts as your session. I'm also looking at that way. So let's do it within the session for the time being, right? Make it easy. Let's do within the sessions itself. All right. Okay. Perfect. So Malika ma'am, we'll do within the sessions.
So this was a question actually from children in my class. They just wanted to know, on the examination day, will they have other classes also?
Yes,
or they will only give the exam and just wind up that.
Okay.
No, they would be having that.
Malika ma'am, tell them it's a formative assessment, so they'll have the other exams as it is. Malika ma'am, only for hybrid, the way I asked Violeta ma'am, for hybrid, I'll let you know, because hybrid we're expecting a little longer format where they will do longer one. So only you are right now. Only you are taking hybrid. Aishwarya ma'am, do the same way I just inform you. Because for your class, in the class itself. All right.
Cycle nikal rahe ho.
All right. Thank you so much, everybody. As always, I don't want you to extend yourself. Anything else, drop me a message in the group or individually, and I'll reply to it. All right. Bye-bye. Make sure your lunch is still hot. Thank you, everybody. See you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.